Welcome to Vintar in Ilocos Norte, and welcome to Andran Foods Walking Tour. This is a self-paced walking tour that features key heritage sites and cultural highlights in the area. We hope you enjoy this tour as much as we enjoyed curating it. Our special shout out to the Office of the Vice Mayor of Vintar under the leadership of Dr. Maribel Albano for making the production of this tour possible. And our special thanks to our local historians. Yours truly, Erwin Sugitan, Tourism Officer of the Municipality of Vintar, Eric Castro, Director of the FCIS Integrated Learning Resource Center, and Esmeralda Baldonado, PhD, former Head of the Social Sciences and Humanities Department of Mariano Marcos State University College of Teacher Education. Vintar is a lush valley with fertile farmlands that provide rice for the entire province. The Vintar River and its tributaries form a complex network of waterways that keep the land constantly irrigated. The town is the largest municipality in Ilocos Norte by land area, covering 614.35 square kilometers. Local stories suggest that the name Vintar comes from the words vinta, which is a gauge used for marking ownership of livestock, and intar, an Ilocano word for lined up, which refers to how groups of rice stalks are lined up when farm owners and tenants count their harvest to determine their respective shares. These farming practices have been with the community for generations. Another version suggests that the name Vintar originates from a story in 1574 when a Spanish encomiendero visited the area. An encomiendero refers to the holder of an encomienda, a Spanish colonial system where Spanish settlers are granted the right to extract labor and tribute from indigenous populations in exchange for their alleged protection. The encomiendero then observed the village leader commanding his men to assemble with the word intar, meaning order in Ilocano. Hence, from then on, the area was called Vintar. Until today, if we were to believe this story, we still can't find a proper explanation as to why the letter V was included in Intar. Vintar is considered as one of the 6 major river systems in the region. Its headwaters originate in the western Cordillera Mountains and flow into the West Philippine Sea. An archaeological survey in the mid-2000s highlights the unique coastal geography of Ilocos Norte, which lacks a continental shelf. Unlike other regions, Luzon has never been connected to mainland Asia via land bridges. During the last ice age, sea levels were much lower, and rivers in Ilocos Norte were deeply incised into valleys. These valleys would have eroded inland, with the lower courses of rivers like Vintar-Bacara, Lawag, and Lawa being much lower than they are today. Surrounded by mountains, Vintar is bordered by several towns, such as Bangi, Adams, Dumalneg, Burgos, and Pagudpud in the north, Lawag, Sarat, Pidig, and Carasi in the south, Pasukin and Bacara in the west, and Kalanasan and Apayao in the east. Mount Baginsuso, also called Mount Masadsada, meaning Passable Valley in Ilocano, is a well-known landmark located in Barangay 15, Visaya. Vintar experiences a Type 1 climate, characterized by distinct dry season from November to April and a wet season from May to October. Data from the Department of Science and Technology, PAG-ASA, indicates that temperatures in Vintar are highest from March to June, the highest recording at 33.8 degrees Celsius, and lowest from December to February, the lowest recording at 19.4 degrees Celsius. The forest and freshwater areas of Vintar are home to a rich variety of indigenous species, such as the Philippine deer and Luzon warty pig, which are threatened with extinction. Local animals are often used for food, while plants provide wood, fuel, and medicine resources, with locals continuing to consult with the Nagaablon, or traditional healers, for their ailments. The freshwater habitats in Vintar are home to fish species such as tilapia, carp, and various types of gobies, as well as crustaceans like kipi and udang, and edible freshwater shellfish. There are also several water plants like balayba, balangig, and aba. Insects such as fireflies, dragonflies, the atlas moth, the cicadas are also found, though some are in decline. The forests of Vintar are populated by trees like ipil, red cotton trees, tailor trees, fire trees, and a variety of fruit-bearing trees such as mango and mabolo. Other notable trees include balere, coral trees, nara, acacia, and mahogany. The area also boasts a range of flowering plants, including orchids, wildflowers, and santan. It is believed that Vintar's first settlers arrived in the area near the Bislak River. In 2008, an archaeological survey in Vintar found evidence of Neolithic activity, including stone adzes at Parparorok, though no other artifacts were found at the site. The Vintar River Valley's geological features suggest a rich, though challenging, archaeological record, as the rivers were deeply incised during the last ice age. The Imalawa is one of Vintar's indigenous groups, now residing in barangays Kanaam and Isik-Isik. The group's name is derived from Malawa, which means vast. They rely on hunting and fishing for their livelihood. Numerous written accounts have been found detailing the significant roles of rivers in the livelihood and culture of the Imalawas. One notable account describes their burial customs. During the Tarabon, the burial ceremony for a deceased tribe member, everyone participating must go to the river to wash their hands and feet while calling on a spirit named Idamang from the river delta. They inform the spirit of the deceased's name, and after finishing the cleansing ritual, they collect stones from the river and throw them onto the roof of the deceased's house to drive away the ghost. The arrival of Spanish missionaries and explorers between the 16th and 17th centuries changed the political, economic, and social landscape of Vintar. The current town, as we know it today, was formed by Spanish missionaries, particularly the Agustinians, who were believed to have gotten lost while hunting between Sarat and Bidig. Vintar eventually became a visita of Bacara in 1600 and was later established as a parish in 1774 under the patronage of San Nicolas de Tolentino. Vintar was temporarily reverted to a visita in 1763 before gaining independence in 1774. In 1903, it was annexed as a part of Bacara, but it became independent again in 1909. A visita during the Spanish colonial period refers to a small chapel or satellite mission established in a remote village, periodically visited by a priest from the cabecera for religious services. The town is home to one of the largest convents in Ilocos Norte, which was partially destroyed in an earthquake in 1931 and restored in 1936. The convent, housing the St. Nicholas Academy, was further restored in 1982. Along the road to Bacara, you can also see the ruins of the brick cemetery with an octagonal layout. Today, the people of Vintar still engage in farming, fishing, herding, and in some places, hunting. The town is known for its thriving tobacco industry, which contributes a significant portion of excise tax revenue. The municipality was historically recognized for its loom weaving industry, known as Siwabel, which has recently been revived in early 2025. Vintar celebrates several cultural traditions. The Feast of St. Nicholas on the 10th of September, which is a religious tradition where the tinapay ni San Nicolas or unleavened bread is distributed. And the Siwawer Festival, celebrated in December, held in honor of the Siwawer, or Brahminy kite, a local eagle species that soars over Vintar. The festival begins on December 4, Vintar's Foundation Day, commemorating the town's separation from Bacara in 1909. In August 2019, Vintar was declared under a state of calamity due to flooding caused by Typhoon Ineng, which submerged 33 barangays and resulted in significant livestock losses. Nevertheless, with the community's determination and hope, Vintar has continued to rise and overcome challenging moments in its history, soaring higher and higher, just like how the Siwawer embeds itself in Vintar's culture and heritage.